Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm revealing the secret agenda behind the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, out here at the DJI Media Group. Welcome back. Let's jump right in. Many of us in the drone community have been waiting, hoping, wishing, and Googling about the release of DJI's Phantom 4 Pro 2 and the Phantom 5 since, I don't know, November 2017. So it's finally here. Our drone wishes have finally come true. Or have they? I personally call foul and say that there's a secret agenda being hidden from the drone community, but I'll get to that in a minute. Let's take a look at the new bird. Okay, maybe it's not really a new bird. Let's call it a rebranded bird with a couple of new feathers. You see, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 sounds good, doesn't it? It's almost identical to the Phantom 4 Pro. Now, I did say almost identical. The minor changes include a better transmission system with DJI's OcuSync. It supports automatic dual frequency band switching and connects to the DJI goggles wirelessly. It's 4 decibels quieter with new low noise props similar to the Mavic Pro Platinum. It weighs about 13 grams less than the Phantom 4 Pro. Oh, and it has upgraded FOC sinusoidal driver ESCs. Try and say that 3 times fast. The new ESC should smooth out the spooling up and down of the motors. It's important to note that the controller for the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is not compatible with the Phantom 4 Pro. However, all the other accessories like the batteries and so forth should work fine. Currently, the price points are $14.99 with the standard controller, $17.99 with the controller with the built-in 5.5-inch monitor, and $18.99 with the included DJI racing goggles. So what do I think? In my opinion, for what it's worth, if you don't already have a DJI Phantom 4 Pro and you can afford it, I say pull the trigger on version 2.0. If you already own a Phantom 4 Pro, just buy the quieter props. Save your money and wait for the DJI Phantom 5. Which brings me to my secret agenda theory. I really feel that DJI just threw us a bone with the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 just to keep us excited after all the hype and the buildup and the leaks over these past few months, while they continue to refine what I feel will be a complete game changer. That complete game changer, in my opinion, for what it's worth, is going to be the DJI Phantom 5 with interchangeable lenses. That's what we've all been waiting for, not a second version of the Phantom 4 2.0. Well, that's my rant for the day. What do you think about my secret agenda theory? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.